Recogniform Output Station releases the information extracted, according to template specifications. The output phase is fully automatic, 24/7. Same as the recognition station, the output station polls the control server at regular intervals, asking for batches ready for release. Once a batch is available, software releases the extracted data to file or to database, according to the configuration. During the output phase, Recogniform Reader features are configured in order to manage file storage. Software can create new folders, rename files, resample and compress images, convert files format, apply watermarks, and save processed documents into PDF searchable files. Recogniform Output Station can run as a Windows service, using the Recogniform Output Service Configuration utility, provided within software installation.